Hi guys, this is Sherry from Leafy Conversations, and today I wanted to go over my blue torch cactus. I noticed the other day he wasn't looking very well, and I took him out of the soil mix that I was using and put him in to the Bonsai grip mix. It hasn't been long enough to really know if it's helped, but I noticed that he's wobbling too much and he's not in deep enough. So I'm just going to take him out and repot him into a 5-inch pot that I have and just take a look at its roots while we're doing this, just to make sure he's not sick. Okay. Don't want my grit falling out all over my table. I mean, looking at him, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if it's a scale or if it's just his skin. But I've tried getting it off and I can't get it off, but I don't see anything else. It looks really dry, which I know it's winter time and that's typically the thing, but I just watered him the other day. It's a big root right there. I feel like he's bound. So I'm going to try to get him out. He was in the smaller pot for a while. When I bought him a couple of months ago, it was only in a 2-inch pot. So that's not much. This is hard to do with gloves on. Okay, I'm taking them off. At least this one. It's not too dry. The soil's still a little damp. So that's good, I guess. And it's always good to feel the roots with your bare hands. You know, a lot of people that I've heard, you know, they talk about when you should repot, when you shouldn't. But for me, it's what's best for the plant. If you see that there's something going on and it doesn't look right, my suggestion is to look at the roots. Not to say that I've saved every one of them doing it that way, but you can tell a lot from the roots. And this one looks pretty good. I'm just wondering if it was just in too small of a pot. If you see something here that I'm not seeing, put it in the comments. let me know. It looks pretty good, aside from that strange root being turned that way. All right, so I think what I'll do then is to just put him into his new pot and with my bonsai mix and see how he does for the next week. See if he's perked up any. But yeah, I'm not sure, like I say, about this spot right here. Ooh, ouch, right there. So if you all can see that, let me know what you think. And like, what's this? But again, I've sprayed him. I spray all my plants just for precaution. It's hard to get in there to feel it, obviously, but I don't know if that's a problem or not. It does make me a little concerned. There's nothing there. It's hard to say. Yeah, I don't know. It's really difficult. All right, let's put him down. Got poking me through these gloves. He's not happy. I wouldn't be either, to be honest with you. I don't like to be poked around myself. So really, I just wanted to share with you what I'm going through. This is just part of the normal thing that you do when you have indoor plants, is you have to take daily care of them, and you have to make decisions what you think is best. I used to think before I got into this, you just buy a plant and it just survives on its own. Not. It doesn't work that way. I mean, especially if you care about it. If you care about plants, you're not gonna let it sit, and you're not gonna not pay attention. So I think I want a little more. Hopefully I have enough. I may have to get another bag. I think that's good. Let's see if I can get it down there a little bit better. His roots. Well, the good news is he's growing. When I got him, he fit just fine in my 4-inch pot. So I'm doing something right. Let's see here. I'm gonna lean him up against this. I'm going to buy one of those canisters. I've seen some other plant lovers use that you can just pour directly in here instead of using this bag. Of course, it would have helped if I was more prepared as well. But that's okay. I mean, sometimes these videos are spontaneous, so you can see how what we do instead of having to pre-plan everything, you know. You missed my Sansevieria watering before this, and I wiped down all of the leaves. And that was nice. Sun's out today, so all of us are happy here. So I won't water this. It just depends on how long and how dry the roots are. But typically, based off what I felt, he'll be ready to be watered on Monday. I try to water on weekends, and part of that is Monday for me. But then there's times where I won't water my cactuses. It just depends. I won't go into that right now, but I think that's it. I think we can see how he does, and I'll let you all know. Well, if you stuck with me this long, thank you. If you would, hit the like button, the subscribe button, if you enjoyed this video or any of my videos. I'd appreciate it. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day or evening. See you next time.